just me. I'ma tear it up like nobody could.
Let's learn IDance. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse and Lilian Lo. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn IDance. Section 1. Weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to swivel our right foot into the right diagonal, also known as a skate. So we're going to bring that right foot in and push it out, and then bring your left foot in and push it out. We're now going to do a diagonal shuffle with our right. Step right forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to repeat that same thing with your left. So you're going to do your swivels or your skates, bringing that left foot in and pushing it out. Bring your right foot in and pushing it out, and then do a left diagonal shuffle, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. Now there are finger motions. If you would like to do it, they're disco fingers. So when we skate to the right, you're going to bring your right finger up and out. When we skate to the left, you're going to bring your left finger up and out. And then when we do our shuffle to the right, you're going to have your right finger go a little bit farther up. Then the same thing with the left. You'll do your left finger, right finger, and then you'll do the same thing with your left. As you shuffle, you'll bring your left. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your skates or your swivels. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to touch your right toe across your left, point your right toe to the right side, and then we're going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left. Step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. You're now going to touch your left toe over your right, point your left toe to the left side, and we're going to weave, crossing our left behind our right, right foot to the side, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just did our diagonal shuffle. You're going to do your touch across and point. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you do it, you're going to bump your hip to the right, and you want your hand to go with your hip. So that left knee is slightly bent, and you're bumping your hip right. And as you do both to the right, you're going to bring that left hand slightly over your body and your right hand to the right side. We're now going to do a rolling grapevine. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock. You're going to touch your right next to your left and clap. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our weave. You're going to do your hip bump to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We are going to shuffle forward with our right. So we're going to step right forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to make a sharp half turn over your left shoulder to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to shuffle forward with your left, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. You're now going to make a sharp quarter turn over your right shoulder to face 9 o'clock, and then shuffle forward with your right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward, and then you're going to make a sharp half turn over your left shoulder to face 3 o'clock and shuffle forward with your left, left forward, right together, left forward. So let's just try that with some counts, and then we'll add on the hand motions. We just finished our touch and clap. You're going to do your shuffle forward. 1 and 2, half, 3 and 4, quarter, 5 and 6, half, 7 and 8. And you'll end facing 3 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. Now, the hand motions for the last section. Your first 2 shuffles, you're going to drum your fingers over your head. So when we shuffle forward with our right, you're going to do both fingers like you're drumming in the air. Right, left, half, left, right, left. When we do our quarter turning one, you're going to roll your hands at chest height. So we're going to make that quarter turn, roll our hands, half turn, roll your hands, and then you'll start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Remember, our first section is our disco fingers. And on the third section, you have that hand out to the side while you bump your hip, and then both hands come across. In our fourth section, you have your drum fingers and then your hand rolls. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your swivels or your skates. We're going right, left, shuffle, left, right, shuffle, point over, side, and your sailor step, point over, side, weave. Now you're bumped to the right, 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 roll, quarter, half, quarter touch and clap, right shuffle, half left shuffle, quarter right shuffle, half left shuffle. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your swivels. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. There's no ending listed on the step sheet. What I do is just turn to the front at the end of the dance if you would like to face 12 o'clock. So now we're going to go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your swivels or your skates. So it's right, left, shuffle, left, right, shuffle, point over, side, and your sailor step, point over, side, and weave. Bump your hip to the right, right, right. Now your roll, quarter, half, quarter clap, right shuffle, half left shuffle, quarter right shuffle, half left shuffle. Now your swivels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's right, left, shuffle, left, right, shuffle, point over, over, side in your sailor step, over, side in your weave, bump your hip to the right. Now your roll, quarter, half, quarter clap, right shuffle, half left shuffle, quarter right shuffle, left half shuffle, skate. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice it as much as you would like so that you can rock this on a dance floor near you. Hope this helped you learn IDance disco. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.